Hi, I'm in my garden today. It's a beautiful summer day and I'm about to harvest garlic, and so I thought I would just send this video to let you know how easy it is to grow garlic and to harvest it, and what a wonderful addition to your garden it can be and to your dishes all winter long. So this is the time of the year when garlic usually is ready for harvesting. Some people wait a little longer. It just depends. Sometimes you want to watch the leaves, which I'll talk about more in a minute, to the leaves on the garlic plant to see if it's truly ready. But let's back up for a moment and just see how easy it is to grow. So what you need is a bulb of garlic to start, and that doesn't mean just any bulb of garlic that you buy in the grocery store, because this is one that came from a grocery store and you could tell that it has been commercially grown and probably does not have a lot of the enzyme activity and life activity left in it. So you want to, and this time of the year in July and August, even into September, you can buy good garlic at farmers market that has just been harvested so that you can use it to grow your garlic for next year. So what you want to do is open up a bulb of garlic. This is a bulb of garlic, and this is a clove of garlic that you break off from the middle. And every clove will give you a bulb of garlic. That's what's so wonderful about it. So I have broken off a clove of garlic, so that's just one of these, and I'm going to peel it so that the peeling, or most of the peeling's off, and what you have is just this little clove of garlic with the point on top. So that's how you plant it. This is the root end and this is the plant end. So you want to make a hole about 2 inches deep and just put the clove of garlic in there and cover it up. And I do that in October. And then the garlic, sometimes it might start to grow if we're having a warm fall, and if not, it just goes dormant, and then in the early spring it's ready to really shoot up. So again, you take a bulb, you take a clove, put it in the ground, and in March and April you begin to see shoots coming up. Now this year my garlic just went crazy. I covered it with hay, with straw, in the fall, and so it did not get that freezing thawing effect in the ground, and by April it was up almost a foot tall. So I'm going to go back in my garden. Maybe you can see it behind me, and I have a shovel back there, and I try to use a small shovel, not a large shovel, to go around each plant so that I don't destroy the bulbs. But I'll show you how that works in just next. Okay, so I'm about to harvest one of the first bulbs of garlic that I have grown. There are many theories about when the garlic is ready. Some people say when all of these green shoots are brown. Others say when the green shoots begin to get brown in the late summer. What I do is I look at weather conditions, and we've been having so much of the rain that the ground is so moist. I don't want the garlic to be sitting in the very moist ground much longer, and I do have a lot of the brown shoots. So I have this plant of garlic here, and I'm going to take my small shovel and I'm going to go around it and just gently loosen the soil all around. And like I said, you could use a large shovel, but sometimes you crack the garlic bulb. So I just want to adjust this camera to make sure that you're going to see what the garlic looks like. And here it is coming out of the ground, and this is one of my very first bulbs of garlic. Okay, so this is what I have as far as this first bulb of garlic that came out of my garden, and as you can see, it's pretty muddy and pretty dirty, but this will dry, as you will see, and I will show you how to fix the garlic so that it'll be dried and ready for winter. There is nothing like fresh garlic when you're making your recipes in the winter time. There's nothing like it, and of course the health benefits of garlic. Much of garlic that we buy in the stores is grown commercially and sent from other countries and not really providing the health benefits that we would like. So this is garlic that really makes a difference. I can smell it already. It's just wonderful. So please do give it a try. It's really easy, and then I'm going to show you what happens after this gets dried for a couple of weeks and how you prepare it for the winter. Thank you. So Giovanni's going to be cutting the garlic. I'm going to cut it to the ends here, and we call this hard neck garlic because it's got a hard neck on it. It's got a little, not a little, it's got a lot of dirt from the garden. When I harvested it, the ground was so moist, it came out very easily. So then after he cuts them, then he's going to take one of these and he's going to clean it up over here. He's going to knock the dirt off. And then once he gets it pretty much clean, because the dirt will come right off quite easily. You want to leave most of the paper on the garlic around it because that keeps it as fresh as possible inside. So as you can see, he does a little bit of a cut, opens things up because that's the root. That's the root of the bulb. Those are the roots, I should say, of the bulb that have nourished this plant so that we could get the bulb of garlic. So it's looking beautiful at this point. And that's getting a little bit of a haircut because he's precision with this work. And that is about it. So we're going to put it on the pile with all the rest of this garlic that we have harvested so far. And we've got a whole nother bag to go through.